Hey guys, today I'll show you how to save battery on your iPhone by changing a few settings that can reduce unnecessary battery drain. So let's get started. First, let's turn off background app refresh. Open the Settings app, tap General, and select Background App Refresh. Tap it again and choose Off. This prevents apps from refreshing their content in the background. Next, let's reduce unnecessary location access. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and tap Location Services. Review your apps and, whenever possible, change location access from Always to While using the app. You can also scroll down to System Services and turn off location services you don't actually need. Keep the essential services enabled. Now, let's reduce unnecessary mail activity. Go to Settings, tap Apps, select Mail, then open Mail Accounts and choose Fetch New Data. If Push is enabled, turn it off and set Fetch to manually or a less frequent schedule. Another useful setting is Auto Brightness. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Display and Text Size, and make sure Auto Brightness is enabled. Your iPhone will automatically adjust the screen brightness based on the lighting around you. Next, check Tracking. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, and tap Tracking. If you don't want apps requesting permission to track your activity, turn off Allow Apps to Request to Track. You can also review analytics and improvements under Privacy and Security. If you prefer not to share analytics and diagnostic information, you can turn off the available options. Finally, check your battery settings. Open Settings, tap Battery, and review which apps are using the most power. If your iPhone supports adaptive power, you can turn it on to automatically make certain adjustments when you need to conserve battery. You can also check charging settings. If your iPhone supports a charge limit, setting it to 80 or 90% can help reduce long-term battery wear. Make sure optimized battery charging is enabled when available. And that's it. Now you know how to save battery on your iPhone and reduce unnecessary battery usage. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.